I just built a fully AI generated female podcast host from scratch using just my phone. Yes, you heard me right, just my phone, nothing else. She is not real. She has never existed, but she's already pulling thousands of views and engagements on Facebook and Instagram every single day. Before we get into today's video, I want to introduce you to her. She has been on my screen for weeks now. Thousands of people follow her. Thousands of people engage with her content every single day. They comment on her videos. They share her opinions. They feel connected to her. She's not real. She's my friend. And she has been assisting me with my business and my workflow for the past few months. Go ahead and introduce yourself.
Hi guys, my name is not important. What matters is that I show up every day to assist him do things, and I take up any task he wanted me to host on the show about love, about life, about the things people feel. And people listen. Every single day they listen.
Yes, she is very hardworking and smart. She is not real. That is an AI generated character. I created her using a workflow that costs nothing and take less than an hour to set up from scratch. And right now, that character is generating views, engagement and real income across Facebook, Instagram, TikTok and YouTube simultaneously. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how I built her step by step and exactly how you can use this same workflow to make money across multiple platforms starting from today using only your phone and 100% free tools. Let's go. Look at this Facebook page and Instagram page built entirely across an AI generated female podcast host called Nealox. Look at the numbers. Can you see? Look at the engagement. Thousands of likes, comments and shares. People are watching and engaging every single day, thinking this is a real person sitting behind the microphone speaking to them. She is not real. Every single video on this page was generated using AI. No camera, no real host, no studio, just the right workflow applied consistently over time. And they are making money from this. Facebook pays their creator for views through their content monetization program, while Instagram pays through their Reels bonus program. YouTube monetizes through AdSense. TikTok pays through their creator reward program. One AI character, multiple platforms, multiple income streams running simultaneously. Now, here is the part that should excite you. This workflow is not locked behind some expensive software or secret membership. Everything they are using to create this content is available to you right now, and it is completely free. One of the most powerful tools in this entire workflow is sitting right inside your YouTube app on your phone. How possible is that? I'm going to show you exactly how to replicate this from scratch, step by step, plus the full workflow with nothing left out. My name is Tberry AI. I coach creators on how to build real income from content, and today I'm breaking down one of the most powerful AI content creation workflow that is available right now using tools you already have access to. You don't have to pay for any tools. I'm doing this just to celebrate the 5,000 milestone we are about to cross on the WhatsApp channel. On a normal day, I will sell this as a full masterclass or a full-blown course. But listen, I'm giving you this for free. So watch from beginning till the end. You are not paying for any tools. Now, before I show you the full workflow, I want to talk about something that most people in this space are quietly making serious money from right now. UGC. They call it user-generated content. Now, take a look at these creators right here.
So last month I did 66,000.
Order of $1 million in my first 6 months on TikTok.
I had 20K in a day. And I just graduated high school.
Currently generating about $500 to $1,000 a day with TikTok Shop.
TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop. The TikTok Shop. TikTok Shop.
These people are using AI generated characters exactly like the one I'm about to show you how to build, and they are using them to promote product on TikTok shops. The AI character talks about the product, recommend it, hype it up, and people buy it without ever questioning whether the person is real or not. This is called AI UGC, and it is one of the fastest growing income stream on TikTok right now. Brands are actively looking for creators who can deliver this kind of content because it converts. The reason why they love this type of marketing is because it will not cost them the amount of money that influencers will collect from them. So, what you're about to learn today is not just for building a faceless podcast channel. It is a complete content creation skill that opens multiple doors for you. You can build your own AI podcast channel and monetize it on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. You can also create AI UGC content for brands and charge per video or on a monthly retainer. It depends on how hard you can work. You can also sell the workflow itself as a service to other creators who want to learn it. You can just sell it as a course. One skill, multiple income stream, and everything you need to execute it is on your phone right now. Let's build it. The character I'm going to use to demonstrate this entire workflow is an AI generated beautiful young woman sitting in front of a podcast microphone. So step 1 is finding your character inspiration. You can't just go to AI and say give me image of so something. You have a generic image. It will look like a cartoon or AI generated image, and people will know immediately they set their eyes on it. So to find inspiration for what your character will look like, just go to Pinterest. If you don't have the app, just download it either on App Store for iPhone or Google Store on Android. Look at the screen. This is what the logo looks like. Then search for female podcast host or podcast studio setup. You are looking for a real photo that matches the kind of character you want to create, from the beauty, the vibe, the look. So you will scroll through the pages until you find the one that best fits what you want. Then save that image to your phone. That is your image inspiration, but you are not going to copy that person. If you just proceed with that image and use it, you might get it with copyright. You are just going to use them as an inspiration to generate something completely original. Once you have your inspiration image saved, then open Claude AI on your phone or browser. This is what Claude AI looks like. Can you see it? So if you don't have it, download it to your phone. So once you do that, upload the Pinterest image and ask Claude to analyze the image and give you a detailed visual description. You want Claude to describe everything: the person's appearance, the hair, the skin tone, the outfit, the background, the lighting, the microphone, the overall aesthetic of that image. That's the inspiration we are going to tap from the base image. Don't worry, I have made the exact prompt you will need to analyze your image ready in my WhatsApp channel. Just click the link in the video description to join my WhatsApp channel. Copy the entire description there because it is your generation prompt. If you can be creative, you can ask Claude AI to analyze the image for you. But if you want to save yourself stress, just go straight to the channel, copy the ready-made prompt, then you proceed. So once you copy the prompt to analyze your image, just go to Claude AI, upload the image you downloaded from Pinterest, then paste the prompt you copy from the channel, which is the prompt that will tell Claude to analyze your image for you. Then paste it under the image. Click send. After a few seconds, and boom, Claude will now give you full image description prompt to generate your own original character. Can you see this prompt? It is a test prompt. This is what you are going to do. Copy it. Now, take that description to Google Gemini. Just like this. Can you see? Open Google Gemini app. Select the plus sign in the text bar below. Then you will see option here. Can you see? Click on this one that says image. Tap on it. So you are in the image creation mode. Then paste your image description prompt that Claude give you. Can you see it? So paste it like that. And boom, Gemini will generate a nice looking AI character for you according to your description. One important change before you proceed: ask for 2 different camera angles of the same character. For example, a front-facing shot and a slight side angle, which is the one we have here. Can you see? Yours might come in another direction. It depends on the inspiration you gave the AI. Since my avatar is facing slightly side angle, I will just ask the AI to generate another angle of this same image for me. But this time, it should be facing front. Can you see the prompt? Saying, using this exact image you generated, let the shot face front, like looking straight to the camera. Just keep your prompt as simple as that. Just explain exactly what you want, and boom, I got another shot of the same AI character I'm using. Can you see the character consistency? Just make sure you have more than one shot of the character. It is very important. This is the reason why you need 2 angles and not just one. When you are creating a short video with one static image, it gets boring. The viewer will notice that the character is not moving naturally. But when you cut between 2 different camera angles of the same character, your brain reads it as a real conversation happening in real time. It feels dynamic and it feels alive. 2 angles is the difference between content that looks cheap and content that looks produced. Now open the YouTube app on your phone. Tap the plus button as if you want to upload new content. Then select short. Now look at the top of your screen. You will see an option that says AI. Then click on it. You will see several AI tools. Can you see it? Look at this feature called image to video. Tap on it. Immediately you click on it, upload image option will appear. So upload the image you created. Pick one out of the two images. Immediately, it gets uploaded to YouTube. You will see a lot of generic test suggestions from the AI asking if you would want to test with any of them. Just ignore it and scroll down where there is a test field. You can type a prompt. Then clear whatever that is already there. This place. Yours might be empty, just like this. Can you see? Now, before you paste anything, you need your character's dialogue. I mean, what your image is going to say. So minimize YouTube and go back to Claude AI. Ask Claude to write 30 to 60 seconds podcast script for your AI character. Be specific about the topic. You might have different idea, or let me say different niche you might want your AI character to be doing for you. Use the idea to do this part. But for this practical lesson, I'm asking Claude to write a relationship advice script, something that sounds natural and conversational, like a real podcast clip. No stiff, no robotic feeling, just real energy. I will go to Claude and type what I want, just like this. If you want that prompt too, it will be in the WhatsApp channel, but you can be creative with whatever niche or anything you want your AI to do. This is just a workflow. Try to be creative so that you can have a different result. And boom, Claude is going to give you the script broken into several short dialogue lines. Each line is going to be on its own separate generation inside YouTube image to video too. So you are going to copy the first line of the dialogue only, just the first one. Can you see? So I copy it. So immediately I copied it. Go back to YouTube. Upload your first generated image. Paste that first dialogue into the prompt field. To directly command the AI, just write this little command. This one that says, let the image say, can you see? Then paste the dialogue in front of it, just like this. Then tap send. You have to wait for a few seconds while YouTube creates your image to video. After a few seconds, boom, YouTube is going to generate a short video clip of your AI character speaking that exact dialogue. Watch it back. If it looks good, then save it to your device.
Ladies, if he is proud of being consistent, that is the bare minimum. You deserve more than just someone who shows up, so do not settle for less.
And if it does not look right, generate it again with slightly adjusted wording until you get a clean result. Now, go back and copy the second line of the dialogue. This time, upload your second image, paste the second dialogue line. Don't forget to add the command at the beginning of the prompt. Then send it. Generate the video and save it.
Showing up is not a flex. That is just basic. You really need to bring more to the table if you want to.
You are going to repeat this process for every single line of your dialogue in your script. Front angle, side angle, front angle, side. Just make sure you are alternating between the two shots throughout the entire script. This is what creates the dynamic multi-camera feel that makes the final video look professionally produced. Now, here is something important I need to warn you about before you start. After a certain number of generation, YouTube's AI tool will slow down or stop responding to your account. When that happens, do not panic. Simply switch to a different YouTube account on your phone and continue generating from where you stopped. Once you have all your clips generated, you have everything you need. So once we have all our clips ready, then open CapCut. Import all your generated video clips into a new project in the order they appear in your script. So it means your clips arrangement in the timeline will start from the first clip to the last clip according to the script. You know, the clip might not be perfect, maybe few errors in the beginning or maybe in the end. Just trim any awkward pauses at the beginning or end of each clip. Cut them together so that the dialogue will flow naturally from one line to the next without gaps, just like this.
Ladies, if he is proud of being consistent, that is the bare minimum. You deserve more than just someone who shows up, so do not settle for less. Showing up is not a flex. That is just basic. You have to understand that presence alone is not an achievement. And
add background music under it at low volume, something atmospheric and fitting for a podcast vibe. Then you want to add caption using the CapCut auto caption feature. So just style them to match your brand. Make it bold, clean, and readable. Then watch the full edit from the beginning to the end. Check if the dialogue flows naturally. Make sure that your character looks consistent throughout, just like my own.
Ladies, if he is proud of being consistent, that is the bare minimum. You deserve more than just someone who shows up, so do not settle for less. Showing up is not a flex, that is just basic. You have to understand that presence alone is not an achievement.
Once you are happy with the edit, then you will export it in the highest quality available. The best I would recommend for you is 1080p resolution and 60 frames per second. This one, can you see it? Now you have a complete AI generated podcast shot ready to publish. And here is where it gets exciting. This one piece of content, this single video you just created, can now go on YouTube Shorts, Facebook Reels, TikTok, all 3 platforms simultaneously, 3 different monetization streams from one workflow. And none of it required a camera, none of it required a real host, none of it required a studio or any equipment whatsoever. Now, let me quickly show you the full workflow summary so that you have it clearly in your head before you can apply it. This is the summary of what we have been doing. Number 1, find your character inspiration on Pinterest. 2, use Claude AI to analyze the image and generate a detailed visual description. Then 3, take that description to Google Gemini and generate your AI character in 2 different camera angles. 4, use Claude AI to write your 30 to 60 seconds podcast dialogue script broken into individual lines, just exactly as I did. Then 5, go to YouTube Shorts to use the AI image to video tools and generate each dialogue line one by one, alternating between your 2 camera angles. 6, import everything into CapCut, edit it together, add music and caption, then export. 7, post to YouTube, Facebook and TikTok. That is the complete system. Very simple, and it is repeatable, scalable, and every single tool in this workflow is 100% free, and you have it already on your phone. If you want my direct help building and monetizing your content channel using workflow like this, the link is in the description. I work with creators on one-on-one chats, video call and voice notes, and we build real income system together. If this video showed you something new, smash the thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Share it with one creator who needs to see this, because this kind of information changes everything when it gets to the right person. I'm Tberry AI. See you in the next one. Let's grow together.